The following program is rated TV MAL. It contains strong language and is intended only for mature audiences.
He's gonna cough all over fucking food. I'm trying to get a little fajita after this.
All right, welcome to California's Finest Foods. I usually say welcome back, but man, this is the pilot episode. I got a brand new show. Norm, what's happening, man? Where you been at, bro? What you been up to, bro?
I've been on vacation, man. Just doing my thing, man. Just sat down for the summer, man. Went down there to SoCal.
Oh, okay.
Trying to get some fajitas for my senoritas, man.
Well, it's ironic that you say that, man, because we actually are going to be cooking fajitas today. I know it's usually a typical. I know, right? Look at what we got right. So what we got right here is we got the tortillas, right? Of course, we got the bell peppers. We got a little bit of pineapple juice. We're gonna tell you why we got the pineapple juice later. And then we also got the marinated overnight asada. Because you know what I'm saying, if you don't marinate your meat right, bro, you use a sucker, bro. You use a basic Walmart ass cook. So now we're talking about some yellow peppers, right? We got some cumin, we got some black peppers, we got some chili peppers ground up in there with some cumin. It ain't that cheap shit that you usually see at the damn dollar store type of shit. So then we got the cilantro, we got the jalapenos, the red peppers, and the lime. So we're gonna show you guys how to really, really make the perfect fajita today. And if you don't think so, that's just too fucking bad.
But this shit right here, this is gonna be good right here. Hold on, what we got here? We got some chicken and some and some beef.
Well, you see, the main thing about how the main thing behind making the perfect fajita is actually cutting it the right way. Now, most people they like that thick cut, gross looking, like crunchy, like fajita thing. Excuse me, right? And I don't like those. I like the paper thin, perfectly chopped. You know what I'm saying? Perfectly lined up fajitas. So what I'll do is I'll take out the cord, right? And I usually take out the majority of the seeds. I leave some of the seeds in there for like a visual aesthetic, like as far as like what the meat looks like. It just looks fancy that way.
You want to try that vegetable? You know what we do? Graphic.
Now this is how you fix it.
The fajitas for the senoritas, that came off actually somebody that was battling, and this girl ended up cooking me some tacos. I said, oh no. So I told her that she gotta tune in. I hope you're watching right now, damn it. Go ahead and learn how to cook.
Bitch, and stop bringing motherfucking jack about tacos home. I'm dead ass serious about that. You fucking bitches wanna keep bringing tacos? No, we ain't gonna let. No, it's not okay. It's not okay. Norm, tell him it's not okay.
It's not okay.
God damn it. So anyways, back to normal. See, I gotta get real passionate about these cheap ass tacos shit. We gotta fix this.
Cheap tacos is kind of like, how would you feel if I gave you a credit card with $19 on it? Mm-hmm. That's how you feel. That's how I feel when you give me a cheap taco or just an already made taco. That's an ABT. You don't like
that's an ABT.
You get those on EBT, as a matter of fact. Yeah. You get that 99 cents store, but not here.
Don't act like you don't get that card because you ain't got an income. Okay, no, don't act that way. Okay, it's, there's the acting new and there's bitch. You ain't a new car. You just smell funny. Cause you put one of them damn what's that? The car freshener shit. Just cause you put a car freshener shit in your purse, bitch. You ain't
gonna at the gas station. You understand?
Yeah. Unfortunately, somebody told him that. Fuck.
Right.
Fuck the game up. Get on to the next section of cut meat. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you how through each step how we're gonna do it, and through each one we're gonna show them the proper way how to do it. Cause we gotta stop these stupid bitches from doing that shit. It's a fucking problem. It's a fucking problem.
It's about to be a crime in the state of California. So y'all gonna see Chowchilla's gonna fill up because a whole bunch of people that don't know how to cook tacos and just act like they preparing stuff and they call it cooking. There's gonna be laws passed around there, Donald Trump. But if it makes laws about this.
Yeah, and you just saying, y'all be thinking that you run the kitchen, you don't run shit but your mouth to sink water. Don't be bad.
And the good part about it is, you know, you can't be too mad because we showing your bitch how to cook. Because she obviously got you going to work every day with a severe case of don't know how to eatness. You understand me? Mm-hmm. And that's exactly why we was right here helping you get your appetite game up.
And look, this is what something that me and Norm came up with a long time ago. It's called Explain That Down.
Explain that down.
Let me explain what that means, right? It's a hashtag SPLANDATDER. Explain that down. Like I was talking about, you know, you got a bitch that goes to the club, right? She got a Louis Vuitton bag and shit with some fancy ass looking fucking heels that match her fucking something, right? And then the nails and shit done. But bitch, you got a problem paying $5 cover fee and you ain't cheap? Explain that down.
That's the same explanation that has to do with that same one cooking that macaroni and cheese. You know, you ever seen somebody put some Kraft macaroni and cheese, right? Put it in the pot, cooked it up, sprinkle some cheese on it.
What?
Put the pot in the oven for about 12 minutes, you know, and then put it out and I said, what is that? She said, that's baked macaroni and cheese. Explain that there. That wasn't baked macaroni and cheese, that was cooked, microwave heat.
That's like telling me a cheap ramen noodle is better because it doesn't, you know, have the same whatever and it's just pronounced different. No, motherfucker, it's still a cheap ramen noodle.
I see, I'll go to jail. I'll go to jail in Denmark for doing something like that.
Hey, what's going on? And so, yeah, look, hey, that's the thing about having your own show, right? You do what the fuck you want to. Anyways, so what we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna show you motherfuckers how to make the proper mixture for the fajitas. Now, I know you slow bitches out there talking about, I'm just gonna go to the store and buy these little cheap packs. Look, bitch, we don't like that shit, so stop fucking doing it. Anyways, right, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna put a popular soda in the bottom of a measuring cup. Coca-Cola, Smoke-A-Cola, however, I'm not into getting sued, but you get the point, right? We're gonna use some of that, and then we're also gonna use some of this here pineapple juice.
Pineapple juice. Tell them about the pineapple juice. See, the pineapple juice, y'all gonna need that in your life. Drink some more pineapple juice in your life. If you love somebody or somebody loves you, drink pineapple juice.
I mean, chill. Yeah, anyways, so, you know, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some of this here, the mixture of the black pepper with the cumin pepper, and as well as some of the black chili pepper. We're gonna go ahead and just pour some of that up in there. You know, just a good generous amount. And then, in the mixture now, so we're gonna take this over here, and we're gonna put it right there. Just like that. And what you wanna do, right, is you wanna submerge all the colors in there. And yeah, I know, there's some stupid bitch out there at the bar saying, he fucked up, he didn't put the onion in there. Bitch, I didn't break the onion on fucking purpose. Slow ass bitch. What is wrong with you? Get another drink, you dumb asshole. Anyways, right, so we're gonna put it in there like this, and we're gonna press it down, right? And what that does is because, like, okay, like you got an apple, right? You drop it, it bruises. You got an onion, right? You drop it, it bruises. Mm-hmm. Same shit. Same thing with peppers, but you push it down a little bit, kind of like fracture them a little bit, right? And you just let them sit, like that, right? To where it sits in there a little bit. Everything gets mixed around and shit. Well, I mean, it will later, but that's the whole fucking point, right? You want to submerge the whole shit in there so when you put it in there, the fucking pepper isn't dry, it doesn't stick to shit.
Exactly.
Alright. What we do, right, is we're gonna drop the shit up in here. We just put like a little slight, you know, leftover mix of the cumin shits and the other shits in the shits to make the shits. So basically what that means is that the cumin shits mixing with the other shits and the pepper shits that he brought, it comes together as one entire shit. It's like a big Megatron of shits.
It's the fajitas.
Yeah, the fajitas. Exactly. Look, public service announcement. Check it out. Hey, you motherfuckers keep forgetting Taco Bell and fucking McDonald's, right? I can see what you're doing. No, fuck that. Hey, I ain't retarded, motherfucker. Okay, I gave you $3 and some change for 2 motherfucking sandwiches. I don't give a fuck how or what you worded. It should not take 15 minutes.
And your hand should not come out that dry coming out the bathroom. I'm just saying. glasses fall off.
What glasses you feel? What glasses you feel, Ryan?
The fajita stole my glasses. It was that good.
So anyways, y'all stay tuned for the next episode. You know what I'm saying? We're bringing along some pilot, try not to get sued. You know what I'm saying? All types of shit. Of course, the FCC is gonna call me in and say,
Stole my glasses again.
knew that one. So anyways, right, I'm gonna try not to get sued. So this is brought to you in part by the ISBF Network. You know what I'm saying? My first guest, you know what I'm saying, the co-host with the most, Norm, the motherfucker Rockwell, Normandibus Maximus for you simple-minded ass bitches. You know, you what that called? Amphibian bitches?
Not learning how to cook in this ad.
Whatever. Anyways, right, the point being is, right, stay tuned, you know what I'm saying, California's finest food game. This is the pilot episode. We were going to try to upgrade the studio, but we do what we can, you know what I'm saying, because if you don't appreciate gaming how it's placed to you, you are a sucker either way, and thou shalt not hate on the next man, and don't talk about my money and other motherfucker. Y'all stay tuned. All right, thank you.
Nothing really? Alright. I tried so hard. Ever since the shit.
Neither more.
Fuck. I tried my best, dude. I tried my